Hi there, welcome back. So I promised to tell you about UTF-8 encoding in a separate video. So to keep our promises, here it is. So UTF-8 stands for Unicode Transformation Format. And what is Unicode? Well, Unicode is just a table in which each character corresponds to a certain number. It's easier to understand it if it's illustrated in a visual. So let's head over to the website unicodetable.com. And you can see a table on your screen right here. Actually, this is Unicode. By the way, Unicode is also called Encoding Table UTF-8. So, for example, the dollar character corresponds to the number 0024. So that means that the row number is 0020 and the column number is 4. So if we add 4 to 0020, we get 0024. So as a result, in the UTF-8 table, 0024 is assigned to the dollar symbol. All right, so let's consider some other examples. So let's take the capital letter Q, and it's on the line with the number 0050, and in the column with number 1. So if we add 1 to 0050, we're going to get the number 0051, and that's why 0051 is assigned to the capital letter Q. That's pretty straightforward. Okay, so note that the capital and lowercase letters have different codes. So lowercase q actually corresponds to number 0071 since it's on row number 0070 and on column number 1. There are many characters in this table, not just English, symbols from Chinese, Arabic, Korean, French, all sorts of languages, and absolutely every single character is assigned a specific number. So if you want to add this character from the Tamil language, for example, you need to use this number. U plus 0BF5, and then add it anywhere you need. But UTF-8 isn't the only encoding format. There are many other ones. However, UTF-8 is the most common one. And why is that? That's because it's the first encoding system and has the greatest number of characters. So how does UTF-8 work in practice? Actually, we can write text using Unicode codes. But there's a special format you need to follow. So for example, say you want to add the letter Q using Unicode. You click the letter Q, and here you can see this line here called HTML code. This site actually makes it easy to insert a character. You just copy this text and paste it to your page. So let's see what this code is composed of, right? It has an ampersand, the number sign, then the code of the character in Unicode, and finally a semicolon at the end. So you might be asking, why do we have 81 instead of 51? Well, that's because characters in the Unicode table are represented in the hexadecimal numeral system. If you're interested in this topic, you can definitely Google it. But basically, what you need to know is that there are several numeral systems. One of these is the decimal numeric system, the most common one that we're familiar with. But there's also the hexadecimal numeric system. The browser, however, only understands the decimal system, so that's why we can't just add the code from the Unicode table. We need to transform it to the decimal system, so 51 in the hexadecimal system corresponds to 81 in the decimal system. So let's try to add this character to our page, and we're going to add the p tag, and then we're going to add the code. So let's save it and open this in our browser. And as you can see, instead of the code that we wrote, we got the letter Q. And I think we can all agree, though, that it's not super convenient to write out each code for each letter like this. So that's why UTF-8 was invented, to make things a lot easier for you. Okay, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.